ground beef is cooking. I got my water on for my spaghetti. I got my catfish nuggets up in here. Getting unthawed so I can clean them. So first thing you do, got your boiling water on. I'm gonna take a little salt. I like putting that up in there before I put my noodles up in there, because to me it seems like it stopped it from sticking together. So when the meat get done, I ain't putting no seasoning on the meat just yet. I'm waiting on it to cook down some. I'm gonna show you how I got burned this. Two. Okay. I just drained the ground beef. I just put the spaghetti in. So now it's time to season the ground beef first. I'm doing a little bit of garlic powder. Black pepper. Yes, and do not talk about my labels. Garlic salt. Just a little bit of it. And onion powder. Onion powder. That's gonna give it that taste. You don't want to eat no spaghetti and bite into the meat and it's bland. So, right now I got my spaghetti. So my spaghetti is boiling. Let me cut it down a little bit. And while it's boiling, I'm gonna add some garlic salt to it. Give it a little taste. Oh, and I also forgot to put my Creole seasoning. Just a little bit. I wish I had somebody to record this for me, because it is so hard to record yourself cooking. I got my meat on low because it's done. I just be trying to make sure I get all the grease I can possibly get out of it. So right now I'm just mixing it up. It's alright, we got some big pieces in there. Okay, I'm gonna put some of this in there. I just put a little bit because it ain't that much that I'm frying right now. So I'm just gonna add a little black pepper. Black pepper. And add a little Creole. Just a little bit. I use my fingers, hands, whatever. It's compared to you, it's not. If you're trying to be pretty in the kitchen, sweetheart, you in the wrong line of work. Okay, I done cleaned my fish, and I done, took what I didn't want off of it. So right now, I'm just gonna coat it. I got my grease right here getting hot. Matter of fact, let me make sure. Yeah. Okay, I just put the rest of it in here, and I'm gonna batter them up, and then, start throwing them in the grease. See that? Then I just throw it in the grease. That ain't hot enough. It's not hot enough yet. So when my grease warm up, I'll be back. Okay, grease is hot. I'm taking it from the batter to the grease. trying to put as much as I can in here without. Okay, I'm gonna let that cook down. I'm gonna wash my hands. The spaghetti just got done. I'm gonna drain the spaghetti and then I'll be back. Okay, I done added my meat into my spaghetti. I done added my tomato paste. Now I'm gonna add my diced tomatoes, 1 can. And do not talk about me. I have my can is cut open. So for my people out there, if you know, you know. Now I'm adding my tomato sauce. I think I'm gonna do 1 can, but I might need 2. But I'm gonna see. Because I'm the only black person that do not put sugar in their spaghetti. I got the stove on low. Okay, I'm mixing this up. Good as I could possibly can with 1 hand. And I also add the rest of my fish. I hope y'all like these cooking videos. If y'all do, let me know. And also, if y'all have any way, you know, that I can do it without holding the camera, please let me know. So I'll make that fish get done. Spaghetti is pretty much done. I'm just going to tweak it a little bit. Add a little more garlic salt. And a little more black pepper. And also I'm going to add some lemon pepper. To this.